To set up Hotspot on Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter connections right here, and then we need to scroll down until we find mobile hotspot and tethering. Now you'll be able to activate a mobile hotspot. If this option is locked out like I have it right here, you might need to open data usage and deactivate data saver. Now when you go back, your hotspot should be able to run, and now to actually use it we'll need to click on the mobile hotspot like this. That way you'll be able to see all of the customization options and informations, like for example mobile data shared today. That way you'll be able to check how much of the data it consumed on your mobile hotspot. You can change your network name. Here you can change the password for that network as well. You can change the band between 2.4 or 5G. 5G is less compatible with other devices but quite faster, so you can choose whichever one you prefer. Then there's security, which also allows you to remove the password if you don't like, or add password by picking any WPA protocol. In advanced, you can also adjust things like the broadcast channel, that you can switch between auto or switch between 1 up to 11. You can change the MAC address type to randomized MAC or phone MAC. There's turn off when no devices is connected for a certain amount of time or never timeout. You can hide your network, that way somebody else will need to connect to it manually. You can protect management frames if you like as well with this switch. And then finally click on save and your mobile hotspot will be set up. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video please consider subscribing.